Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss practice questions, some important questions of carbon and its compound. It is divided into three sections A, B and C, and I will be discussing these three sections in three different videos because I am going to give you elaborate explanation. I am starting with the section A. The question number 1 is difference in the molecular formula of two consecutive members of a homologous series of organic compound is. You can take example of any homologous series. Suppose I am taking the example of alkane series. Its first member is methane, CH4, and its second member is ethane, two carbon atoms, and there is single bond between these two. Other valence electrons are being shared with hydrogen. The bond is being formed with other hydrogen atoms, and C2H6 is its molecular formula. If one atom of carbon is increased, there is the increase of two hydrogen atoms from one member to other. And you can take the example of any member of these series, 7th, 8th, 9th. Everywhere the difference in the molecular formula of homologous series will come out to be CH2 group, and this is included in the definition of homologous series. The series of organic compounds wherein the members differ in molecular formula by CH2 group. Now the question number 2 is how many covalent bonds are there in a molecule of ethane. I have drawn the structure of ethane already in question number 1. So you can count the number of covalent bonds. One is between two carbon atoms. This carbon atom is forming with three hydrogen atoms, and the other is also forming three bond. So the total comes out to be 7. 7 bonds are there. And in methane there were only 4 bonds. As you move on in a homologous series, the number of bonds goes on increasing. बढ़ते जाते हैं. Now moving to the question number 3. The formula of second member of series of carbon compound whose general formula is CnH2n. CnH2n means the number of whatever be the number of carbon atom, number of hydrogen atoms would come out to be the double of number of carbon atoms. If second member, it means yes, in the second member we will write 3 here because N2N, it is the formula of alkene. Alkenes means double bond between carbon atoms. So the first member is ethene. There is a double bond between two carbon atoms and other two bonds are being formed with hydrogen. This is C2H4. This is the first member of alkene series, and they are asking for second member. सीरीज इज स्टार्टिंग विद n इज इक्वल टू 2. फर्स्ट मेंबर में ही n इज इक्वल टू 2 है. n इज इक्वल टू 1 वाला मेंबर एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता because there is a condition that there should be double bond between two carbon atoms. So the second member would be when there is a chain of 3 carbon atoms. There is a single bond between the first two or in the other two, but double bond between the other pair. In the whole chain there should be a single appearance of double bond. एल्कीन्स में ऐसा होता है, सब में डबल बॉन्ड नहीं होते सारे कार्बन एटम्स में. चेन में कहीं भी दो कार्बन एटम्स के बीच में डबल बॉन्ड होगा, दो पेयर्स के इलेक्ट्रॉन्स शेयर होंगे, ये कंडीशन होती है. और बाकी ये अपना हाइड्रोजन से बॉन्ड बना लेगा. इसका फॉर्मूला आपको बताना है. आपसे स्ट्रक्चर भी पूछा जा सकता है, तो स्ट्रक्चर आई हैव ड्रॉन, बट दे हैव आस्क्ड फॉर द जनरल फॉर्मूला ओनली, मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला ओनली. तो C3, number of carbon atoms is 3, and hydrogen will be double according to the molecular formula, and you can verify it from the structure also. H6. So C3H6. Fine. Now the question number 4 is two allotropes of carbon. So diamond and graphite are the two common allotropes. Diamond and graphite are the two allotropes of carbon. Chemically they are only carbon, but their physical properties are different. This is the definition of allotropes ki same of different forms of the same element having same chemical properties but physical properties are different. Fine. Now the question number 5 is the essential constituents of organic compounds are. Organic means the compounds which are found in living bodies. Living organism जिन compound से बने होते हैं they are called organic, and mainly carbon is the main element there. So the first blank में आप carbon लिखेंगे, and mainly carbon combines with hydrogen or you can write oxygen. You can write any two of these three because carbon mainly, अब देखिए ना ग्लूकोज है हमारा सबसे मेन पार्ट कार्बोहाइड्रेट, तो C6H12O6 they have asked for the two constituents, so carbon and hydrogen or carbon and oxygen. You can write these two of any of these three, you can write any two. Which element exhibits the property of catenation to the maximum and why? Catenation means the ability to form long chains with same type of with the atoms of same type. And carbon chapter पढ़ रहे हैं तो carbon ही सबसे ज़्यादा catenation show करता है. Why? Because of 4 valence electrons, or you can say because of the valency of 4, it is able to form covalent bonds, means the bond formed by the sharing of electron. It shares electrons with other carbon atoms. That's why it forms long chains. The reason of catenation is tetravalency and ability to form covalent bonds with other carbon atoms. With other carbon atoms. तो ये चेन तो कितनी ही लंबी हो सकती है और ऐसा होता भी है. Fine. Now question number 7. Diamond can be synthesized by subjecting pure carbon. Pure carbon को हम डायमंड्स में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं आर्टिफिशियल डायमंड्स में अंडर वेरी हाई प्रेशर एंड टेम्परेचर. दोनों कंडीशंस होना नेसेसरी है. नाउ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. Butane is a saturated or unsaturated compound of carbon and hydrogen having these number of carbon atoms. Butane, as the name suggests, you have studied about the nomenclature. But means 4 carbon atoms and ane means there is the appearance of single bond between all these carbon atoms. Now rest of the valence electrons would be shared with hydrogen. This is a hydrocarbon. Formula will be C4 and H12. Fine. So number of carbon atom is 4 and there are only single bond between carbon atoms, so it is saturated. Saturated means single bond. You can memorize saturated with single. You can associate single word with saturated. Now question number 9. General formula for alkynes and alkenes. First of all alkenes consider करेंगे. Alkenes means carbon carbon, in between carbon carbon atoms there is a double bond, appearance of double bond. So 2 carbon atom, इसकी series ही 2 carbon atom वाले compound से start होती है. There is double bond और बाकी ये hydrogen से combine हो जाएंगे. ये इसका first member है. अभी मैंने यहाँ discuss भी किया था. Anyways, again repeating, because I want to give you detailed explanation, repeated explanation, so that these concepts get retentive in your mind. Now the double bond is here. This will combine with 3 hydrogen atoms, this will combine with 1, and this will combine with 2. Now the formula of these two, molecular formula, C2H4, C3H6. So general formula would be CnH2n, simply double. Fine. Now we will consider about alkynes. Alkynes means appearance of existence of triple bond between carbon carbon atoms. This is the first member. Now they will combine with 2 hydrogen atoms more. Second would be there are 3 carbon atoms. There is the existence of triple bond between the first and second carbon atom and single bond between second and third. It will combine with 1 hydrogen here. It won't combine because there are already 4 bonds are being formed here, and it will combine with 4 hydrogen atoms. Now we will form their molecular formula C2H2 and it is C3H4. You can frame the general formula 2 and 2. It is and 3 से 4 बन रहा है, means double करेंगे and then -2. 3 का double 6 and -2. Fine. So general formula is CnH2n minus 2. एंड इसी तरह से एल्केन्स के भी हमने स्ट्रक्चर अभी किए थे, उसमें जनरल फॉर्मूला होता है CnH2n प्लस 2. एल्काइंस का CnH2n minus 2 और एल्कीन्स का CnH2n. Memorize these things because many times questions are asked from the general formula also. You are seeing अभी तक ही इस within these 10 questions 2 questions तो जनरल फॉर्मूला से ही रिलेटेड हैं. And if you want to conceptualize these concepts and you want to having the more elaborate and detailed explanation, then you need to watch my previous videos in which I have separately discussed all these topics: homologous series, alkanes, alkynes, everything has been discussed in much detail in the previous videos, so you have to go through them. Now the last question of section A is we have to draw the structure of benzene. These alkenes, alkynes we discussed just now, they are the open chains of carbon compound, but benzene is a closed chain. Here, 6 carbon atoms are there, arranged in the form of a hexagon, and there are alternate single and double bond. One single, then double, then single, then double. Now, every carbon atom, three valence electrons are being already shared with each other. Now the fourth valence electron would be shared with hydrogen. So there are 6 carbon and 6 hydrogen atoms, C6H6, a closed ring-like structure. This structure is very important from the exam point of view. Mainly they ask for its structure. So benzene, नाम से ही देखिए पता चल रहा है ईन, बेंजीन. ईन मीन्स ही डबल बॉन्ड, यहाँ अपीयरेंस है ना डबल बॉन्ड का, दैट्स वाई नेम में ईन आया है. नाउ फॉर मूविंग टू द बी सेक्शन, you have to watch my next video where I will be discussing short answer type questions section B. सो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, सेक्शन बी को डिस्कस करेंगे.